To apply shadows on frames, we are first adding a frame to our design. To do so, click on Elements and then click on Frames. Here you can select any of these. Let's choose this one. After this, we need to add an image we want to put inside of this frame. Let's upload an image, for example these flowers. The first method is converting this image into a PNG without background and then re-adding it into your design. So click on Share and then click on Download. Check Transparent Background and click on Download. Let's add another page and upload the image we just downloaded. Let's find it, select it and add it to your design. Now you're able to click here on Edit, where you are now able to add a drop shadow, glow or anything you want to do. Just adjust your shadow by using these sliders. For the second method to apply shadows to your frame, we are simply using a shadow from the elements. So click on Elements, describe your shadow, for example drop shadow rectangle, and then find and add a shadow which is mostly suitable for your frame. Right click on your shadow, click on Layer and put or send it to the back. And now all you need to do is resizing the shadow and bring it into position. And that's it guys. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time.